Yamaha has unveiled its latest motorcycle, the Yamaha Zuma 125 model year 2023. The Yamaha Zuma 1252023 now has a modern and sporty design for adventures like dirt bikes. Up front, the Yamaha Zuma 125 is said to be an update to the Yamaha X-Ride. That means it has two round headlights that are big enough and can produce a very bright light. Then there's the turn signals on top of the motorcycle's automatic handlebars. What is different from Yamaha's X-Ride is that it is on the side of the body that looks a little thicker but sexy. This is because the trunk under the seats is very spacious and can accommodate items such as helmets. This machine only has a displacement of 125 cubic centimeters, but its performance is beyond doubt. The Yamaha Zuma 125 is equipped with a forced air-cooled engine, 4-stroke, SOHC, 1-cylinder, 4-valve. The power is up to 8 dk and the maximum torque is 9.5 Nm.